Welcome to Treflow Publishers. So in this video, I'll be showing you how to use the legend intro. Here is the legend intro. This one. Can we see that? You can download this from Play Store. Just go to Play Store and type in legend intro. So when you have downloaded it, you open it up. Can we see? Then you click on start. So you can begin typing. Let's say I want to type in welcome to Treflow video creation class. Then I'll click on this good sign. You want to check how it looks like. Click on the play button. Okay, so you are going to have something like this. This is daring. If you want any other one, you can check each of this one. This is lines, this is display, this is quoted, this is dash, framed, see points black, stop more, and here is tag. And you can change the colors too. And we see different colors. So when we are done with that one, you just click on this icon to download it. Then you download it as GIF. Either you download this as GIF or as video. Anyone is okay. Thank you for watching. It will create a folder for itself in your gallery, so you can go there to check it out. That is how you are going to do it one by one if this is all you want to use.